There they go, guys. There goes my morning nighttime friends. There goes my morning friends. Sorry about nighttime. Those are my morning friends. They come to take my friend's shift from last night. Last night my friends get to go home, and so I'm gonna have to ask them a question. Please pick up the pace a little bit. That's what I want to say to my friend tonight if I see them. If they drop a couple more cars, I might tell them like, y'all you need to pick up the pace, my man. You know, that type of thing. Just joke around with them. Just joke around with my good friends. All right, guys, there to go on their way to Hugo at 7 o'clock. Scratch that. Call it 8. Yeah. On their way to Hugo, it's 8. It's 8, and it's 8:15, and it is 26 degrees. So it's cold enough I can see my breath outside. I finally get to catch them in the morning and stuff like that, guys. So there they go. They just came back from Ashdown on their way to Hugo. So, guys. Well, guys, I'm about to wrap this video up. They'll be back through here tonight, guys. I'm glad they came through here now, because now I get to catch them 2 times a day. So guys. Alright, guys. Don't forget, rate, comment, subscribe, and all. always be cautious of trains, guys, and always be mindful of trains near the right of way of anything, guys. They can block intersections to pick up loads, or they can park there because they have a signal or anything, guys. So trains have the right of way, guys. Always go around them if you have to. So find a safe distance around the train if you have to. And always do not walk in front of a train, not unless you have a reflector vest and a flashlight where the train engineer can see you. Really, because a guy on a bicycle was right here to me, and my buddy was about to move, and my friend said stop for a minute, because he was braking the cars, and so my friend was on break, and then he was in drive. So always be cautious. I'd say do not walk in front of a freight train when it's about to move or whatever. Always be far away from it. If you want to get in front of it, please be far enough where the train engineer can see you, especially my friends, you know. So guys, for further ado, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. It's pretty cold out here, and so I need to release my other video out today, which might be tonight, whatever, guys. This goes for all my real fans out there, including the new subscribers, and I hopefully soon I might get more subscribers on my YouTube, guys. So look at my video, and if you like it, please press the thumbs up on it. If you like it, you can watch more. You can find more of my videos when you link and subscribe. Or you can find them. Just look up Kiamichi Railroad, and you'll see all my videos. Or you can catch them on my channel and watch them all without maybe ads, if y'all don't have ads. If you do have ads, because I get ads on my YouTube for commercials. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get out here, guys. Like I said before, it's cold out here. It's pretty chilly. I'm glad they stopped and picked those cars up, and so I'm glad to catch them. Alright, guys, they're right down the pike, guys. I'm gonna just head on home, guys. Woo! Happy railroad fanning to one and all up north, east, south, north, and west, but mostly in the north. Alright, guys, catch you guys later. Happy railroad fanning to man, woman, and child. Man and woman are railroading. So guys, catch you guys later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching on Kiamichi Railroad Short Lines on the hot rails owned by Genesis Woman Corporation. Guys, thanks for watching Kiamichi Railroad Short Lines on the hot rails owned by Genesis Woman Corporation. Guys, alright, guys, catch you guys later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching.